Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Dr. Javed Iqbal Khokhar, Professor of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology. As I'm discussing personal identity, and this is the 18th lecture of this series, and we are discussing parameters of age determination. And today, the contents of the talk will be that what is the radiological estimation of age, which are important areas for that. The radiological examination of skeleton regarding age estimation is that how we determine age from bone, that is from appearance of ossification centers and fusion of epiphyses with the diaphyses. So the areas which are routinely x-rayed to determine the age of a person, they are basically wrist and hand in children. We know the carpal bones, the number of carpal bones is equal to the number of years for the children. Similarly, elbow, shoulder, pelvis and knee in adults. The skull, vertebrae and sternum in old age. And the elbow gives the information for age in girls 13 to 14 years and boys 15 to 17 years. The wrist 16 to 7 years in girls and 18 to 19 years in boys. Then the shoulder 17 to 18 years in girls and 19 to 20 years in boys. Thank you very much.